Hi everyone. In this video we will discuss about backtracking. It is an brute force technique only. It's simply nothing but using recursions. Here it's like we will find all each possible ways and backtrack to main. We will understanding backtracking by solving an problem. So the problem is we are given a string A B C. We should print all the permutations of arranging the ways in a row, like uh, abc is one way, acb, then will bac, bca, cab, and cba. All the permutations of the arrangements, that is your total 6 ways. One, two, three, four, five, 6. So we will solve this using backtracking. Now first it's nothing but recursion. Let's first understand what is an recursion. Recursion is the way we will do, like for example, there is recursive function. Here we are taking the recursion of n minus 1. Then we will simply do first, it will call itself once, it will call itself once, it will call itself, and so on. We will take here base conditions. For example, some n equals to 1 it will return. So at that time it will return to the previous ones. So at last it will return to here. Like for example, if there is two recursion n minus 1, that is binary recursion, then it will be like recursion 1, recursion 2. And like this it will goes on until it finds some base condition. Then it will come back, everything will come back to the main thing. So backtracking here, like this it will follows, it will backtrack the previous one. So the task is this, we need to do here. So I'm doing what I'm taking here. I'm taking the recursion, that is here not a 1 2. I'm simply taking for loop, and I'm doing recursion. So in the iteration I have taken the iteration, I have taken the recursion. That is, if the loop is something 5 means it is almost it will be like this: 1 2 3 4 5, again 1 2 3 4 5, the each one. So the structure follows like this. Now let's understand solving the problem. So first we will take the empty string, then that is recursion will start. We will take loop, we will take up to string dot length, let's say. Then that many times we will take the recursion. So 3, for example, for the next recursion, if I decrementing the length means it will go like this. Now, uh, after 2, I'm taking again, I'm decreasing length, so it will go only like this. So I will simply take the code here. So first I will take a string. I will pass the string ABC. That is, I will take here as recursion of string str, that I will take ABC, and I will take one empty string. Then for I will take I equals to 0 to I is less than of the string length, and I plus plus. Then I'm taking the recursion, like there will be some string and there is again. So it is as follows. So let's discuss one by one. First, it is an empty string. For example, now at I equals to 0, I equals to 1, I equals to 2, at first recursion, that is string is size equals to 3. So I'm taking here I equals to 0. I will take a current char, like that. There will be some current char, and I will take the that is as that is string of I. So same, for example, when I equals to 1, it will be B. When I equals to 2, it will be C. Now at this point, when I equals to 0, then again so the next time I will take here in the recursion, here in the recursion, like uh, some new str, and our, suppose this is answer plus uh, current char. So this is supposed to be our permutation, and this is a new str, that for example it is a. We will take the remaining as BC. So you will observe this in the code. I will just show you how the process will be. So here again, I equals to 0, I equals to 1, because here the string here, we will take the next after again calling itself the function, there the string length will be 2, so that is BC only here, and here AC only, and here AB only, same. Again for this also, I equals 0, I equals to 1, I equals to 0, I equals to 1. So at this point BC will come, and uh, at that point again for BC, again I equals to 0 and I equals to 1. So I equals to 0 time current char will be C, I equals to 1 time current char equals to C, B and C. So that's like uh, it will go like this. uh, First here it will be AB. So the left one is C. So that is at last it will print ABC. So like that it will print ACB, and so on, 6 permutations. So it will just after completion we will give here a base condition, like if string length equals to the decreasing string length equals to 0, so it will return to here and return to here, and again we will take I equals to 1 case, it will come here and it will again return. So it will backtrack and print all the solutions. So the diagram will looks little confusing. So let's code that one in the our Eclipse. So I will take here I will take first recursion function, public static void, public static int recursion string str comma string answer. And we will take for loop for int I equals to 0, I is less than str dot length I plus plus. So first we will take the char current char is equal to str dot char at that present one, and then we'll take string new str. New str as str dot substring of 0 to I, and it won't take I. Substring will take from 0 to that end index up to before that. So str dot from I plus 1 to end. Now I will do recursion. I will take new str comma answer plus current char, and next I should take here the base case. The base case is if at last the str will length will become 0, right? So str dot length is equals to 0. So that time we will print that permutation, that is answer one. After we will simply return. I'll take this point. So let's check this recursion. I will take the recursion string a b c, you can take anything you want, and comma empty string. Understand this. So we'll take here ln just. So it's printing ABC, ACB, BAC, BCA, CAB, CBA. That all permutations of that string. If you take I equals to 1 means it will check up to 2 size. That will show only 2. That is AB, AC, BC, like that. So you can take, if you take this size equals to 2, that's it, means it will check A, B, C, like that. So I want size up to 0, that is size 3. So you can pause the video and check the code, and you can trace out the this logic here, just like we solve, taking each recursion how it will goes from first it is empty string, we will take I equals 0 1 2, then I 1 2, what how the current char will take, and how the new string taking the remaining things, at last how it's printing, and how it's a backtracking. And we can check the size also, how many times its size is flowing, like that. Size equals to, will take 0 here, and I will simply take here size plus plus, so that if I print here size. So it will show me size is 6. uh, that is total permutations I am getting as size 6. The same thing you can check, for example, if you take abcd, so it is a 4 factorial, right? So 4 factorial, 4 2 is 8, 8 2 is 16, 16 into 24. So 4 factorial we will get. If it is e, then it is 20 fact 5 factorial. So if you take just 2, then it is just 2 factorial, right? Also it will print just a b and ba, like that you can take anything. And also you can print here also how many times you want. So this is all about backtracking is a very helpful. It is a brute force technique, but it is very helpful in solving many popular problems like safe NQs, safe NQs in chess, arrangements, knights, free knights, Sudoku, rat in a maze. So this is a code you can check. So this is all about backtracking.